Inspiring quote of the day. Though anger is a normal part of our energetic spectrum, it must be harnessed or else it will harness you, as is the same for pleasure. The Electric Leaf. Salutations, family. Welcome back to The Electric Leaf, where it is my goal to assist you in nourishing your mind, your body, and your chakras. I have lots of videos right here on YouTube to assist those on a spiritual journey. Everything from sharing meal ideas to mental health hacks. I also share spiritual downloads and channeled messages here, so if you feel this channel will assist you on your spiritual goals, be sure to subscribe. Now let's get into this food. Starting off with these mini king oyster mushrooms that I found at the Asian market up there in Durham, North Carolina. So shout out Durham, Bull City. Okay, I was in y'all's town. And I found these, and so I purchased them, and I was like, what can I do with them? I decided that I was going to make some sort of barbecue inspired dish, and you will be able to find the recipe in the description box with actual measurements. Okay, y'all know I love a little dash of this, a splash of that, but y'all don't like that, so you can find the exact measurements in the description box. After mixing the mushrooms and all of those yummy ingredients, I baked in a 425-degree oven for 25 minutes. The exact measurements for this well-seasoned vegan coleslaw recipe are in the description box as well, family. See how I looked out for y'all? Oh my goodness, I didn't use as much vinegar in this slaw as I would have liked to, because my daughter seems to be able to detect the simplest amount of vinegar and she hates it, but she actually loved it. And the cumin and the dill just took this salad to a whole new level. All right, I put more of these chopped herbs that I used from the recipe yesterday, and they worked out so lovely in this coleslaw. For the fun part, building this sandwich. It's so easy. All I did was toast the bread in the air fryer with some vegan butter, and then I layered on the mushrooms and piled the slaw high as I could on this bun, okay? And that was absolutely it. I am a mayonnaise person. I love to have mayonnaise on my bread, but I didn't need it, and I didn't miss it on this sandwich because it was moist enough, crisp enough. It was just right. A sandwich is gonna be a win for someone who is busy but still trying to meet their plant-based goals for themselves and their kids. So if you try it out, let me know how you liked it. And until next time, family, continue to vibrate love and vibrate well.